At Rebel Salute 2018, first day, Charlie Black.
What going, sir?
How the new year treat you so far?
Oh,
What you say, more money, on top of more money?
oh,
What you say, another hit song for 2018?
oh.
All right, cool now. So talk to us about your performance here. How did it go?
You know, sir, I'm very comfortable with my performance because what you going to know? I try not to sing no bike back, no ice and wine, no this, no that.
Yeah.
We just keep it culture and keep it nice and clean. You see me I say?
You say you try like say they really want for go pop out the bike back. But come know a couple of the Empress them up here, so them you know them have here.
They want to ride out pan the young and something man. So me have to try hold my voice. You hear me warn them up there and say, listen to me, tonight is a different show, you know.
Yeah.
And me have to just Steve party animal pan the dance already man, just let them go. And just make them sing with me but cause you don't know. I 25th stage and it's my second year at a Rebel Salute show. I'm very grateful.
Yeah.
And one of the most important things to me,
Yeah.
God give me life this year again, I'm grateful. And then now, he make me and this man have a song, Tony Curtis, where we never rehearse the song and look how we perform out there. Everybody love
Out the box for Tony Curtis, somebody over this is him there right there, so. Tony, how things?
Mad, the vibes crazy, the vibes up. Rebel Salute, the 25th, you don't know the thing shot, brother.
You're one of them people that will support the team with.
Well, you don't know from you say we, they say we.
So how you manage to kind of preserve the vice with all of the weed?
Well, when you're born with it, you know, brother, it's just natural, you know, it's just like how you talk, you know, it's just there.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
All right, so Charlie, talk to us about 2017. Like, what would you say is like the biggest lesson where you learn out of 2017? Because you had a massive international year. Like, if me never think so the song that Party Animal did really, I was in a one club and it was my first time just really I see where them play your song right after Despacito. So it wasn't some surprise, you know, I see you did a collab with my name Louis, I can't remember.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Louis Fancy is a big fan of Party Animal song, but I never know.
Yeah.
And even when time the remix came about and at 97 team and Universal them came with the idea, and I still never even know so the man is a fan.
Yeah.
And when he did the job, he said, yo, this is Louis Fancy, this is my song, featuring Daddy Yankee, Justin Bieber and Charlie Black. And then now him say want to be a part of the remix.
Whoa, yeah.
For Party Animal, me I say, yo, blessing. And I want to tell us that since last night, I actually sent him a message to cause me and him a link more now. And cause we do the Jay-Z show out the other day. In a Tidal. And we end up start the show. And it's just blessing overall, man. Oh God is in control. We can't complain about nothing, man.
Yeah.
I mean, if be a part of the show, I know me is not a Rasta, but if be a part of the show, Rebel Salute, I'm very happy and honored. Because this is a festival that needed in Jamaica. You understand?
Yeah.
And it's sad that there's only 2 festivals in Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest and this.
Yeah, say like Jamaica definitely need more festivals like this where the artists them can come and showcase them talents and people can come and support.
Oh yes, man. And the bigger artists them, I think they also need to work with the festival them. Because listen to me, unity and strength. When you go to Germany, you can see at least 15 festivals in Germany alone.
Yeah, yeah.
In Germany alone. So why Jamaica we have reggae music and dancehall? Why we only have 2 festivals?
True.
Why? Me told the world and me see all Belgium have all 5 festivals. France have all 13. Seeing?
Yeah.
And some other places. Why Jamaica and a reggae music I sing over there and them a train the artists them from over there to sing reggae music and have them white band and them something there. Seeing? The promoters them here. We don't need to go talk to the government or the government them need to just free up some of the promoters them or whatever and the artists them need to work with the promoters them so other festivals can keep. Because me I keep Chillani my Band and Grow Festival coming up in the next year live band. Me I tell you 2019. Yeah, because at the end of the day we need to come together and unite. This is a very beautiful festival, Friday night. Me don't even worry about the crowd or whatever, because I see the crowd is nice. You come, you sing a song, and people who would normally ball forward come enjoy the show. All of us, no alcohol, no bag of this, no bag of that. Nice, 100% real things, no fabrication, nothing at all. Rebel Salute is a nice show. Tomorrow night, other artists there who will come support same way. It's a magnificent show. I'm grateful to be a part of this show, I swear. And you know what I mean? Big up Tony Rebel and big up Queen Africa and the whole Rebel team and them 25th. Big up on yourself. I'm happy to be a part of it because I was at the last one where the whole sink right at St. Elizabeth. That was the last. That was the last one keep, you know. I was on the last one that kept down there in St. Elizabeth. So I'm happy to be a part of this. Last few years I was very busy because each time, each month, my career grow and things I get bigger and better. And, you know what I mean? I take on one role by myself. I go and do what I do. You know, I stay in my little lane. I go and preserve dancehall of one side of one place. Muchos caliente and back of something.
Yeah.
So, with us there, I go and give thanks to life and I say, listen to me. We need unity in a Jamaica. Artists. Uno not do this for yourself alone. Say, because some of you rich already. You can free up some promoter and make it become festival. You other young artists out there will have the talent, we can work and come be a next giant to the Jamaica. Too much festival are going over the world and Jamaica only have 2 festivals. And that me a campaign about, you know.
Yeah, I want to ask you about like, do you recognize like for the probably 2 of your hits them, it seemed like it take a little while before it's season and just become like, you know, like really we call it international because Party Animal was one, and I remember you released back when 2015.
Same year as Party Animal.
Same year, yeah, 2014. And I remember hearing back, I said, why this song no more popular in Jamaica? And it wasn't until was it 2 years after that, no, all of a sudden the back challenge, and then the song just blew up, and it was a similar sort of thing for like Party Animal. Like, what do you think? Is it that the promotion happened immediately, or is it just like it just taking it just like a delayed effect in terms of for people to recognize, say, yo, you're producing the hits?
You see, people love what they love when they love it. Whenever you can't force music on people. Music is music.
Yeah.
So if you sing, you can sing 10 songs and people only like one. That don't mean that you should stop singing.
True.
Continue sing music. Because people either come like when I say, all right, me have a song, let me give a history. I never said this in no interview.
Yeah.
First, I meet to Duttyberry. Big up and say, watch this now. I have a song where I run a place. Body, and it a go on, and then we go, any girl can bubble in a trouble.
Yeah.
Then I have a song called Rich this year in 2008 for release. And a friend of mine said, don't release that, mad, you know, say, girl, them love you, rare. The people know what. And I said, you can't tell what kind of feeling who I gonna like this song, brother.
Gravitate to it, yeah.
When the song release are the biggest thing.
True
So
that.
him come back to me and apologize and say, boy, and he's a radio man too. I'm not calling name and this thing, but me I tell you, him forward and say, Jano, Charly, me have to apologize. Cause watch ya. And I say, I'm music name.
Yeah.
Everybody music, there is a song for every mood. You understand? And we Jamaicans, we're talented enough, can do that. And we always sing music for the people all over the world. You know what I mean? So, you see, most of my songs them are big overseas than here. So some of the time when the people them do overseas and travel and see me, and I say, don't know that Charly can. And some I selected them travel to and see what I go on and say, all right, I go back to Jamaica with this. When I see them song, we give them from before it bust.
That them overlook.
You understand?
Yeah.
Just like J. Capri, when Russian bring J. Capri to me and say, yo, me have a female artist.
Yeah, all right.
I want to bust the artist, yeah, and rate, bang, bang, bang. And I say, all right, we carry this song, go get it selected them. Then I play, which part of the song go hit? France first. We did 1 month full tour in France without touching any other country. And I tell J. Capri before me even voice the song, I said, when me voice the song, you're going to tour on one song, and she laughed. And I never forget, she crab around us, me DJ. When we in a Paris at the train center, she hugged me up and cry. Because I tell her, I say, listen, me advise her something. Me know my career over the world, you know.
Yeah.
I don't worry about who not saying Charly Black wherever.
Yeah.
But I know where my strong points is. So don't worry, me I tell you something. And it happened, and it works. So me understand what I am doing. So you see, if Jamaica said they want to wait for 2 years, then like one song, that's for them business. I'm working.
The world already.
You understand? Yeah. Because me have to do some work out of the world, and me can't sit down and wait to see if they don't like a song. Me and this man have a song now named Hallelujah.
Yeah.
We are going good in Jamaica, very good. But when the video shoot by time next month and everything, video
looking forward to it.
and bag of something, it got by watch by some of the song got very bigger in Jamaica. You saw the performance of the song with me and him?
I got to say a little piece. A little piece.
Well, it's a very beautiful song. Yeah. Tony Curtis, sing the song, make him hear.
I'm here a piece.
The song name, Hallelujah, 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 to you I pray.
Eternal Father, bless this land. Me I beg you fi guide us with your mighty hands. This place is infested by bad mind and greed, and the youths them now is on for the crime and violence.
Hallelujah, 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 to you I pray.
And listen, this is a very beautiful song. If you don't know it, it's on iTunes and it's on everywhere. Big up on yourself and go support it. It's gonna blow up. Support it. You see me?
All right, so you heard it from Charly Black and Tony Curtis. Yeah. No, me have to just ask you this. Who you think, sir? Two questions. Who you think, sir, the sexiest female artist right now, Jamaican?
All females, all female artists in Jamaica is sexy.
Okay, good answer. Sound like a politician.
I'm not a politician.
Big up Cuban.
Me love woman, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So at the end of the day, what am I gonna do?
All right.
If a girl shaped like barrel, what am I gonna do? A fair barrel business. Me love all woman. All female are sexy to me.
You hear that, ladies? Charly Black say all female sexy. So him don't care if you want shape like what you call it, polygon. If you want to look like right-handed triangle, Charly Black is here for you. All right?
Listen.
Find him Instagram, DM him, send him the picture of them, and all of these things.
Listen, baby, you perfect, you perfect, you perfect to me. Girl, you perfect, you perfect, you perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right now. So you perfect, you perfect, you perfect to me. Remember.
Oh. All right. And so, Tony, want to ask you what song, right? Because people, they have one like a top 20 countdown, and people, they kind of get cross when, you know, must say which song me think was the top song of 2017. Yeah. What song would you say, unbiased, would you say was where you feel like was the top Jamaican song of 2017?
In a Jamaica?
In a Jamaica.
Well, there's a lot of songs, you know, there's a lot of songs where do good. You have I Do on a song, you have Ding Dong, and you have Chronics where that
okay, you list the top three.
But you don't know me, I'm going to say Chronics because you don't know me a singer.
Yeah,
so
man, yeah,
you have
man.
to big up Chronics, big up yourself, mad, big thing, Chronics song gone.
All right, well, that's it, people. Rebel Salute 2018, first night. Big up.
Baby, you're perfect, you're perfect.